Hello everyone, welcome to Triple T Academy YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Savina JP from Triple T Academy. In this video, I'm going to discuss about matrix and matrix multiplication concepts. So in the previous videos, clear agi what you meant by matrix and what are the different types of matrix that we discussed. So ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ continuation of videos. See, dear students, we know that the matrix is nothing but the set of numbers which are arranged in rows and column and enclosed by a bracket. See, this is the statement of a matrix. So even though we know that these were the numbers which are arranged in first row, these are the numbers which are arranged in second row, and here is the numbers or elements which are arranged in third row. Similarly, this we can consider as the first column elements, these are the second column elements and third column elements, and finally which is enclosed by a bracket. See how many rows and column are there? There are 3 rows and 3 columns. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. This just given the definitions and some order and size of a ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಿದು? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇಂಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, majorly dear students, suppose here is a one simple example of which consisting of 2 rows. You can observe here, 1 row, second row, first column and second column. That means 2 columns here. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix. So suppose I am going to consider one simple example. Suppose I am going to take another example like if A equal to 3, 4, minus 2, 5, 1, 6. This is a matrix of size. How many rows here? There are 2 rows. There are 2 rows. And how many columns here? There are 3 columns. This express ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, that we discussed that is order of matrix ನ express ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, which express order of matrix. Also even though you are going to call it as size of matrix, size of matrix ಕೂಡ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಆಡ್ ಇಟ್ 2 matrices, or if you want to subtract one matrix from another, or it may be you want to suppose if you want to multiply any constant value to the respective elements of the matrix, as well as multiplication of matrix. ಅವೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, we are going to call it as a operation of matrices. So last videoದಲ್ಲಿ, in the last video we discussed that addition of matrix ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, subtraction matrix also discussed, scalar multiplication matrix also we discussed, and transpose of matrix also discussed. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, just you can observe here what you meant by matrix multiplication. It's simple. Matrices means suppose if we have 2 matrices, let's consider A is a matrix and B is another matrix. ಅವೆರಡನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಸಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ A is a matrix and A and B are the given matrices. Their multiplication is going to consider as or call it as AB. That means A into B. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಪೋಸ್ A is a matrix 3, 2, minus 1, 5, and another matrix, suppose B equal to 6, 3, 1, 5. 6, 3, 1, 5. So then the multiplication will be like AB will be equal to, this is A matrix into B matrix. So what is the elements of A matrix? That is 3, 2, minus 1, 5. That is in a second row. Suppose if we come into B matrix, that is 6, 3, 1, 5. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನನ್ನ ಏಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್, ಸಮ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನೌನ್. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೋಲ್. ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ವೇರ್ A is a matrix. See, observe here, where A is a matrix, let's consider as its order is m into n, m cross n. Suppose here consider that A matrix, its order is 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 4. That means what is the number of rows here? How many number of rows here? There are 2 rows into how many columns here? There are 3 columns. And one more things, let me consider as B is another matrix. Suppose 4, 5, 6, minus 1, 3, 8. This is another matrix. So what is the order or size of B matrix? That is 3 rows into 2 column. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು the order of matrix A is m into n. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ m into n ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. Then order of B matrix, that is, this is n into p. Suppose let us consider as n into p. So the concept here is ನಾವು multiplication ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ only it will works when the first matrix number of column, first matrix number of column, that means first matrix is here, no? Here how many number of columns are here? There are 3 columns you can observe here, dear students. I will observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, that is 3 columns are there. And in a second matrix in the number of rows, just observe here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 3 ಇದೆ. If this is same, then only I can multiply it. In ವೇಳೆ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ is not possible to multiply. So that is a very important. So ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, the multiplication of matrix is possible only if number of column of matrix will be equal to number of row of matrix B. A matrix ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂಥ ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ B matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂಥ ರೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ then only we can multiply it. So this is the one basic things you should be know about it. And at the same time, what is the order of answer matrix? Answer ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, A into B. ಅವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, AB. AB matrix order will be M into P ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, M into P. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ಎಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನಾಯಿತು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಟ್. ದೆನ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 2 x 2 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2 x 2. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗೋರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ 2 into 2, that is the answer. So this is the basics. If you know this, then we can multiply. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ another concept we have to observe, dear students. That is what here I am going to take one simple example. Okay, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ. So here A is equal to 1 4 and B is 3 4. See, what is the size or order of A matrix? What is the size or order of A matrix? Just we can observe here, the size or order of A matrix is 2 rows into 1 column. 2 rows into 1 column. And B matrix order is 1 row into 2 column. Just we can observe here, in this concept we can observe here, then the column of first matrix is 1 and row of second matrix is also 1. Then we can multiply it. ನೋಡಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, so I can multiply that. So AB will be equal to the first matrix A is 1 4 and B is 3 4. Then how it will work, sir? That is very important. That is always we know that then we have to multiply. That is a procedure with rows into column. The procedure ಗೆ ಎಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that I can consider as or call it as rows into column ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. rows into columns. See how it will work. Just first row into first column we need to multiply here. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಇಂಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಡೌನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 into 3. ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 1 into 3. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಇಂಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ is a one thing. Next, so first row first column is completed. Next is first row second column. The first row second column is 1 into 4. That is what your second matrix size. Clear? So just you can observe here, that is second, that is first row second column 1 into 4. So next it will be first row first column is over. Next first row second column is also over. This also is completed. Now thing is second row first column. That means 4 into 3. Second row first column. Next will be second row second column. Nothing but 4 into 4. Then what is the answer? Then finally 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 into 3, that is 12. 4 4s are 16. So this is what answer of AB. The AB matrix is 3 4 12 16. Then what is the size of this? This is the size is 2 cross 2. See dear ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ರೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ರೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ರೋ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಾಲಮ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಲಮ್. This will be a size of order matrix, size of answer matrix. So next question, one more question to better to understand even perfect. Okay, perfect anna artha madkolakoskara. Next question is, suppose a product of a and b is dash. Product of a and b is dash anta helidane. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ, that is a. My aim is, product means what is the meaning of product? Product means multiplication. That means AB. That means AB. So let's consider AB will be equal to, so A means 2 3 1 0 minus 1 3. That is A into B. That is 4 minus 1 5. See dear students, I expressed that. So what is the procedure of multiplication of matrix? That is rows into column. Rows into column. That means R into C. Rows into column procedure ನಾನು follow ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So nothing but in this structure, the first matrix rows always we need to multiply with the second matrix column. So first matrix rows ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, first row, then first column. First row, second column, but second column not there. Then we can stop it there. Next, first row, first column ಜೊತೆ complete ಆದ ನಂತರ, then we need to start up with second row. Second row, this column. ಆ ಥರನೇ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಇಂಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Is it completed first or first column? No. Only first elements complete ಆಗಿದೆ. Then what we need to do is, we have to consider next elements. Next elements ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 into -1. Before that we need to add plus 3 into -1. Next, again one more element is here, 1 into 5. Just observe 1 into 5. That means that again plus 1 into 5. 1 into 5. Now first row, first column is completed. Next will be second row, first column. Nothing but 0 into second row, first column. 0 into 4. 0 into 4. Now plus. Next this term, that is -1 into -1. -1 into -1. Plus 3 into 5. 3 into 5. 3 into 5. So this is our final matrix. See, what is 2 into 4? 2 4s are 8. Plus 3 into -1, that is -3. Plus 1 into 5, that is 5. Next, second thing is second row, that is 0 into 4, 0. Plus -1 into -1. Minus into minus, that is plus. 1 1s are 1. Plus 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So finally, then answer is 8 plus into minus, minus 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5, that means 10. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 15, 16. That is what your answer. That is the answer of what? AB. So AB equal to 10 16. Then what is the size of AB? There are 2 rows here, but only 1 column. Even though we can observe here. Nodi, now we'll observe ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So what is the size of A matrix? 2 rows into 3 column. Here 3 rows into 1 column. Then I told that this is a first matrix column and second matrix row should be equal. Then only we can multiply it. Yes, now multiply ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. What is the answer? The answer size will be, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, right? This one and this one. ನೋಡಿ, 2 into 1. See, 2 into 1. That is your answer. So this is one of the another example for you. Next, dear students, I'll proceed with suppose A square. ಅವನೇನಾದ್ರು A square ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so what is the meaning of A square? A square is nothing but A into A. A into A. That is A square. Then we can consider now directly. Here I am going to consider. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಏನೋ ನಾನು 2 ಸತಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 1 -1 -1 1 into again 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. That is the second thing. Now the procedure we know that is rows into column. Same procedure we need to follow. So first row into first column. Just tell me, just you can observe here, think in your mind. First row into first column. 1 into 1, 1 into 1. Next plus minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1. Now first row, first column elements are completed. That's all over. But here one more column is there in a second matrix. So first row into second column nu kuda navige multiply madbekagutte. Another procedure, another steps navili munde hogbeku. That means that 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1 plus next this one into this one. That means minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into this one into 1. Now first row, first column completed. First row, second column also completed here. Now I will proceed with second row, first column. Nothing but second row, first column means minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1 plus hige hogi hige bartidini. That means that 1 into minus 1. Next 1 into minus 1. Next dear students, that is second row into second column. Minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1. So finally what is the answer? I will proceed here. 1 into 1 is 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. Next 1 into minus 1, minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1, again minus 1 only. So the reason plus of minus, it will become minus. So the reason better to write inside the bracket for each steps. Next minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1, again minus 1. Here minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1 plus 1 ones are again 1. So your final answer is, that is AB, that is A square, A into A into A, which will be equal to 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? 2. Minus 1 plus into minus, minus. That means minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. Minus 1 again here also, plus into minus, minus. Minus 1 minus 1, nothing but again minus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. That is what your answer. See, this is what A square. This is the A square. This is standard procedure ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್, ಇವೊಂದು ಇವೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಬುಕ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಈ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿ information regarding books, you can contact us. Next, I'm going to discuss some of the previous year question paper questions also. So in this DCT student 15 question paper knowledge, just you can observe here. Here there is a question, that is if A equal to something and B equal to, then find A plus B transpose, or then A plus B transpose is dash. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು A plus B transpose means, see, transpose is nothing but that's what interchanging of rows into column or column into rows. Before that we need to add two matrices like A plus B. A ಮತ್ತೆ B ನ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Then we need to transpose it. So first of all, what do you mean by A? So we know that my aim is to find A plus B first. That means A here plus B here. So ಹೇಗೆ ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ respective elements we need to add it. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2 3 5 4. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ -1 7 -4 1. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ -1, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ -1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7, 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ -4, 5 plus, but here is -4, better to write inside the bracket. Next 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1. So finally what is the addition after adding? Plus into minus, we know that is minus 2 minus 1 1, 3 plus 7 10, 5 plus into minus, minus 5 minus 4, that is 1, 4 plus 1, that is 5. So this is A plus B. This is A plus B. But our aim is to what? That is we need to find A plus B transpose. So nothing but A plus B transpose equal to, see, A plus B is this. Transpose means interchanging rows into column. Rows ನಾನು column ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಯುವಂತದಕ್ಕೆ transpose. Nothing but first row I am going to write in the form of first column. Nothing but 1 10. Second row is 1, 5. That is your final answer. Then which is the right option? See, observe here, where A is a right option for this question. See, this is the question they asked in DCET 2015. Next question, aspirants, that is, if A equal to, here you can observe here, that is 2 cross 3 matrix given, and even the B also 2 cross 3 matrix. Then 2A minus 3B. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ? My aim is to find 2A minus 3B. See, what is this 2 into A? The 2 into A nothing but that is a 2 is a constant. That is constant term I want to multiply to the respective matrix. So nothing but 2 into A. So first we'll find a 2 into A. Nothing but 2 into A. So 2 times of what is A? That is 2, 3 minus 1. Same I am considering here. 6 minus 3, 0. Then multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? That means we'll get 2 into 2. That means 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Next, 2 into 6, 12. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 2 into 0, 0. This is 2A. Okay. Next, at the same time, even though we need to find, we should know about 3B also. So 3 into B. So what is 3 is a constant and B is a matrix that is given in a question. That is 0, minus 2, 7, 9, 5, 4. So finally after multiplication, 3 into 0, I'll do it one step. That is 3 into 0, 0. 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus, sorry. That is minus 6. Next 3 into 7, 21. Next 3 9s are 27. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12. This is 3B. 3B. But our aim is to find 2A minus 3B. Therefore, just we can observe here 2A minus 3B. 2A minus 3B. See, what is 2A? 2A is, I'm going to consider same, that is 4, 6 minus 2, 4, 6 minus 2. The B is 2 minus 6, 0. This is what? 2A minus 3B. What is 3B? 3B you can observe here, in 3B option, I mean answer. That is 0 minus 6, 21. Second thing is 27, 15, 12. 12. So finally the answer is 2A minus 3B. 4 minus 0. What is 4 minus 0? 4. 6 minus of minus 6. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus is plus. 6 plus 6, that is 12. Minus 2 minus 21. So this minus, it will be nearly multiplication ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Nothing but ಏನಾಯಿತು ನಿಮಗೆ? Minus into 21 minus 21. So mean minus 2 minus 21 is minus 23. Next, 12 minus 27. 12 minus 27. Nothing but minus 15. Minus 15. Next, minus 6 minus 15. Minus 6 minus 15. Both are negative. You need to add it, but minus sign only. So minus 21. 0 minus 12. That is minus 12. This is what your answer. Then which is the right option? Just cross check with the ABCD options. See 4 minus 4, 12 minus 23, minus 15, minus 21, minus 12. I guess the right option is B is a right option. Just you can observe here where B is a right option. Right? 4, 12 minus 23, minus 15, minus 21, minus 12. See, this is another question. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ DCET ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಗಿವನ್ ದಟ್ 6th rank, 9th rank and 14th rank. And even though we are providing classes in our Triple T Academy, Bangalore, those who wish to join with us, you can join our classes. Directly you can contact us in the above ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್.